Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we're talking about the Factory Direct Craft Pack of 3 Paper Mache House boxes. These cardboard Paper Mache DIY gift boxes are perfect for crafting and Christmas village displays. The Paper Mache House boxes are ready to decorate, making them a great DIY project. They are ideal for holiday decor, functional storage with a removable roof lid, and can be illuminated with a battery-operated candle for a warm, glowing ambiance. The set of 3 ornaments is versatile for crafting a Christmas village, enhancing train set displays, decorating Christmas trees, or creating charming tabletop and shelf decorations. The houses are 4 inches wide, 2 to 3/4 of an inch long, and 4 to 1/4 of an inch high, providing plenty of space for customization and creativity. Let your creativity shine with these customizable Paper Mache cottage ornaments. Personalize them to resemble your own home or to gift to a friend or family member. Made from recycled paper materials, these cottages are a neutral craft color and are perfect for painting, decoupage, and more. They are a great option for both adults and children to enjoy crafting. Factory Direct Craft is a family-owned business with a long history of providing quality Paper Mache products. Their wide variety of Paper Mache shapes and sizes are perfect for all your crafting needs. In conclusion, the Factory Direct Craft Pack of 3 Paper Mache House boxes is the best Paper Mache House available in the market. With their versatility and customizable features, they are perfect for all your crafting projects. Don't miss out on this amazing product for your holiday decor and DIY creations. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews. Thanks for watching.